What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing, and I'm going to show you in this video how we're going to make the transition from using first class mail, which is gone, to Ground Advantage if you were not already using eBay's shipping policies. If you weren't using eBay shipping policies, like I wasn't, you basically created a shipping policy for every single listing. Going forward, I'm going to use the shipping policies to streamline all of this. And I'm also going to share with you some good news along the way about this 30-day timeline to get everything shifted over. In one of my most recent videos, I showed you exactly what you need to do to create a Ground Advantage policy. So let's take a quick look at that and then talk about what we need to do going forward from here. All right, from the Seller Hub where we're at right now, I'm going to go up here where my name is and I'm going to click on Account Settings. And from Account Settings, I am going to scroll down to where it says Business Policies. We want to look specifically at shipping policies. So we're going to, right here where it says Create Policy, we're going to click on that. Let's set up a shipping policy. And we are going to call this Ground Advantage 0 to 4 ounces. I don't need a policy description in here for me. And I am going to set mine up on the flat cost, the same for every person. And right here where it says services, I'm going to click the down arrow. And I am going to go down to Ground Advantage. And I know that up to 4 ounces, I am going to charge $3.49. And my handling time is 1 business day. I'm not doing a separate international shipping, and I'm not doing a separate shipping rate table. I am not creating an exclusion list, and then I click Save. Okay, going forward from here, we need to create Ground Advantage shipping policies that will fit most of our listings. For me, I'm going to need one up to 4 ounces, from 5 to 8 ounces, from 9 to 12 ounces, from 13 to 16 ounces. I'm going to make one for me that's 1 to 2 pounds and one that's 2 to 4 pounds. I'm going to do 5 pounds to 10 pounds, and then I'm going to do 11 pounds to 20 pounds. That's going to cover just about everything that I do. And once we get those policies created, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit these even though you didn't have policies already created. I'm going to go back to the Seller Hub, and I'm going to show you the coolest way ever to bulk edit your listings even though you weren't using shipping policies. Let's go check this out. I'm back at the Seller Hub, and I am going to scroll down to my active listings. And what I want to do is I want to organize my active listings by shipping cost. If you don't have shipping cost in here, you can go up to Customize Table, and you can click this button right here on shipping cost. And if you come over here, you can put it up or down depending upon where you want it. And that's all there is to that. So once you've got shipping cost in here, I want to, if you click it, it will put it, that's high to low, and this is low to high. And so if I select all of these, I've now got them selected by price, which means that if I was charging $2.99 or $3.99, I know that that's going to be Ground Advantage. And so on my first page, I scroll through this to make sure I don't have something exceptionally heavy, and I don't. And so from there, I am going to click right here where it says Edit, and I'm going to Edit Selected. And so I can go through now, and I'm going to select them all. And I'm going to bulk edit, and I'm going to select a shipping policy. And I'm going to change to, and just to make sure that I don't create any issues, I'm going to select 12 to 16 ounces and click Save. Doing it like this, I might have 1 or 2 that are off. I might have 1 or 2 that I need to go back into, change it back to priority or something like that. But for the most part, with 750 listings, and this took 3 or 4 minutes, I can spend an hour probably and go through and correct those that need correcting. And once I've changed these to the new policies, then I can go delete all the old policies. Because for me, the end goal will be to have just a handful of policies that cover everything that I'm wanting to do. We were told that we would have 30 days to make the transition, and that clock has been ticking since July 9th. I did message eBay for Business, and I asked for some clarification. I said, because I only have 700 listings, but I have friends with a lot more listings than that. How exactly is this going to work? And I want to show you the response that I got, because I think that 30 days is just so that customers are seeing something consistent on their end. It looks like we're going to have till the very end of September to get these done. And for me, that will make it very easy. I think I can do all of mine in a couple of hours tops, the way that this is set up. And I think it'll streamline my listing process going forward. So hopefully you read the email, see what you think. But I think we're going to have more than the 30 days to finish making the transition. That's it for this one. I truly appreciate you watching, and I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.